So in the last years, more and more the AGVs are becoming key elements of the intralogistics deliveries of the material flows within the factories. And as more they are connected to the infrastructure, IT infrastructure of the factories and digital processes in the factory, they are becoming more and more effective in the processes, and they can bring a lot of money back to the factory. There is one point I would like to highlight concerning the AGV's use in an industry, automotive industry, electrical industry, or any machine engineering industry or manufacturing. Most of the accidents are happening in the logistic, in the intralogistic, where the manual logistic is used. Therefore, moving there with the automation, this helps to prevent any potential accidents in the material flow processes.